Once again, hi everyone, welcome you all to my online class of communication skill. In last video, we discussed about the what introduction to communication, what is communication skill, and the goals of communication skill. In today's video, we are going to discuss the common way of communication, that is speaking, writing, oral or the gesture based, and the types of communication on the basis of organization behavior, that is formal and informal communication on the basis of flow, that is vertical, horizontal, and crossword, and on the basis of expression, that is oral, written, and gesture based. So let's start today's topic. Most common way to communicate. Most people think about speech when they think about communication, but there are many other ways we can also use to communicate with each other, that is, speaking, writing, visual image, body language. So, start with speaking. The spoken word, either over the phone or a face to face or a video conferencing, video chat, or any other medium, the use of speaking communication is made in discussion as well as conversation that are informal and casual, such as plans, contracts, memos, minutes of the meetings, requirements analysis, document design, document risk registers, and other related written materials. It is used to provide well thought and well planned details. This easily to be received than verbal communication, because everything that has been written cannot be uttered right away. More so, it can be used for future reference. Third one is visual image. A picture is worth 1,000 words. As we say, when we see a picture, we already define what the picture is saying. So visual aids such as animation, colors, illustration, graphs and charts, drawing, signs and logos immensely enhance written communication. Visual communication is also used in the right balance for making information sharing more effective and efficient. Body language. While the key to success in both personal and professional relationship lies in your ability to communicate well, it is not the word that you use but your non-verbal use of body language that speaks the loudest. Body language is the use of physical behavior, expression, and mannerism to communicate non-verbally, often done instinctively. A deep understanding of the process of communication and communication skill is essential. It is vital to success of any individual in any business. Here we shall see some of the many types of communication. So on the basis of organization relationship, formal, informal. On the basis of flow, vertical crosswise and diagonal, horizontal. On the basis of expression, oral, written, gesture. So start with on the basis of organization relationship. In business, clear communication is very essential. Improper communication skills may lead to confusing or incomplete instructions, data, or other information to pass to the intended audience. Hence, it is very essential to develop strong communication skills. So, first communication skill is formal. This type of communication is also referred to as an official communication and covers the comment of a verbal expression that address a formal need. Formal communication forms the core of our professional lives. Hence, becoming an expert in this type of communication is central to professional advancement and success. Simple tips to excel in your expression and profession is being first one is being by clarifying the purpose of your communication. Second one is whether you use an oral or written expression, always follow a open, professional and friendly. Finally, thank your audience for their listening. So second communication is informal communication. Informal communication is surprisingly popular and also referred to as a grapevine. This is often by word of a mouth information. In fact, it is this type of a communication that you up to unofficial yet protective information. Informal communication is spontaneous and free flowing without any formal protocol or a structure. Hence, this type of information is also less reliable or accurate. A communication channel that spreads like wildfire as there are no formal rules to flow. Mostly oral with no documentation evidence. Due to this, many undetermine the value of informal communication, terming it mere gossip. Despite its drawback, informal communication is considered user-friendly and hence offer use advantage when used widely. So thank you all for thanks. This is the end of the communication. In next session, we discuss about on the basis of flow, that is vertical, crosswise, diagonal, horizontal, or on the basis of expression, oral, written, gesture, and also the barrier of communication. So thank you.